Hey guys, Randy with Pete's RV TV. Today, another campfire special. So, trying to keep you the coolest person at the campground. My buddy Brandon from Camco has done it again. He came up with a new device. Where this guy gets these ideas from, I have no idea, but I'm gonna keep using them as long as he keeps coming up with them. So, thank you, Brandon. Thank you, Camco. Adjustable water regulator. So super cool. We can adjust our pressure here a little bit if you're having an issue with maybe your hot water heater because of low pressure, what have you. We have adjustable pressure here, has a shut off on it, will screw right into your city water fill. Ergonomic design, so it's shear weight rather than pulling on the end of it. So it thinks of everything. The guy literally thinks of everything. Removable filter here. I've got some commemorative filters coming for the 4th of July for this month's campfire special, so get them before the 4th. Campfire special, come check it out. Thank you, Camco. Pete's RV TV, look for it. Look seen on the road. Happy camping. Campfire special.